A loud ticking or chirping from one side of the engine, paired with rough running or a flashing check engine light, can be unsettling. On some Sierra 1500 models, hydraulic lifters may fail, affecting valve operation and causing misfires. This can happen even at low mileage. Haynes covers cylinder head, lifter, and valve train component removal and installation procedures to support proper repairs and restore smooth engine operation. Get your GMC Sierra 1500 manual with digital access at Haynes.com.